So, good morning and welcome to a happy sunny day in Wales. After an early appointment with the physiotherapy department, where you get an appointment to examine you to tell you that you need a scan the doctor said you needed in the first place. Does that make sense? So I'm now down for a scan of my back, MRI, because they don't know what the problem is yet. So watch this space. So technically I'm falling apart after spending last weekend in Merthyr Hospital with chest pain again. They still can't work out what's causing that either. So I'm a mystery to mankind, as they say, which I would probably reckon is not a new thing at all. So join us on a day in the sun, having been to the hospital, to go and have a roam around Wales. We're heading towards the Baffle House at the moment for a coffee. So if anybody's wondering why we're not on the bike, because we had a hospital appointment. That's why today, even though the weather is absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully on Friday, if the weather's nice, I hope to take a trip on the bike to Motor Martins to see what
Right.
How are you? Fine, how are you?
Can I have...
What is the breakfast on the Baffle menu? House menu? So today we're having the banger. So we should get the banger in a minute. So where do these things working? Yeah, we have the 295 subscribers. One more, 5 more, and I got 300. The thing's buzzing, dear. I go on. So that is your banger. Good. Fresh sausages, nice brioche. Good. Happy days. The John Doe make that Freddy Dobbs keeps on about. John Doe make that Freddy Dobbs keeps on about here.
Alright.
The Dave's Sex Machine hats there. It's the Dave's hats.
What's the next
It's quite nice, dear.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
Actually, well, no, what's your places? Yeah, if it wasn't the first time. Yeah.
Wanderlust vintage clothing there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go next to it. This belt stuff collection here.
Yeah.
They used that water girl, they've always exchanged it for Wanderlust.
Yeah.
Big bucks.
See, they're all going the same type. That's why Caerphilly's got thick, isn't it? Quite heavy.
And that's spell stuff, huh?
Belt stuff, D30 armor. Royal Enfields are everywhere.
Ah?
Royal Enfields are everywhere.
Ja.
And that was the breakfast in the Battle House. Loved the sausage sandwich. That was nice, wasn't it, dear?
Yeah.
And we had good coffee there. And now we're on to our next destination. So the only good thing is I've had a message now from DHL to say that my bobhead coat for winter is on its way.
Oops, some music.
Can't find it, grind it.
Yeah.
I want to look at the statue of Tommy Cooper after, because I got to see what the link is with Tommy Cooper and Caerphilly. Yes?
Yeah.
And as you gather, we're looking at the castle over there. We are now in Caerphilly. Never been to Caerphilly? So we're going to have a look at the shops and then going to look at the castle. And there is also a statue to Tommy Cooper, which I didn't know about. So we'll have a wander around and get some history of Caerphilly, as it's probably the only town in Wales that I've never been to. Bear in mind, I've lived in Wales all my life. Right there in the distance is the castle.
Strange castle, I was seeing that over there.
Yes, that's what it's famous for, is the Leaning Turret, isn't it? Yeah. You have to pay one day and go in it, yeah. We went to JD Witherspoon's in every shop. And that is Caerphilly at its finest here.
There's a lot of shops, so there's a muchness.
Yes.
No single purpose.
No.
Okay.
And here we are, the statue of Tommy Cooper. And I was wondering, why is there a statue of Tommy Cooper in Caerphilly? And apparently he was born here on the 19th of March 1921 on one of the local streets. So he's a local boy really, so that's why he came here. And he famously died actually on stage in the Palladium, I think it was. Yeah?
Yeah.
So yeah, now you know why you got a statue there. There's a statue over there, statues everywhere.
Yeah.
Right, where do you want to go now? Go for a coffee opposite the castle. And Rositas. Rositas. Can't you walk around Caerphilly? What do you reckon on Caerphilly then, dear?
It's okay. But I don't know how can I explain.
Got a cat.
It's a shame that the market bit isn't open and the food court isn't open and nothing else is open.
Yeah, the food court looks like a nice place, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's a shame it's not working.
Yeah.
You've got the castle behind you, behind you.
Yeah, it's friendly people.
As the town itself, it's okay, isn't it?
Yeah, friendly people.
Clean, tidy, but
Yeah.
tidy. But like I say, shame that some of the bits aren't open.
Yeah.
There you go. So,
To call there back when it's open.
so as I trip around Caerphilly, we'll go into the castle on a less windy day when I bring the drone. So I'll send the drone up, it'll be easier. And that was the next one, we'll do Caerphilly Town Centre. So stay tuned for future vlogs where we'll do the inside of the castle. We're currently now having a coffee in Rositas. Currently have a coffee in Rositas in the town centre next to the castle.